Everyone can have access to the best free AI and video generator. Let me show you how. This is the tutorial. This is free. This is brilliant. This is the best. Don't just take my word. Have a go at it. It's brilliant. Link is in the description as always, no worries. You have to sign up. With your Google account. You need to prove that you're not a robot. Then you get a code on your email. Insert the code and that's it. You're in. You can create an image. You can check out the other creations. Same as the video. I'm going to focus on video, of course. Your turn to create. Let's do it. First, choose video. Write your prompt. Choose the ratio. New features are coming. Choose camera motion. Negative prompt. It's optional. Generate. That's it. Your turn now. Now all you have to do is use your imagination and stop using it. Kling AI is free to everyone. I'm sure you're going to love it. Have a look at the type of movement, the realism. It is absolutely amazing, like never seen before. So, your turn now. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button because I want to keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your projects. Thank you so much for supporting my work. Check out the other amazing free AI tools I have for you. Bye bye for now.